Hello everybody, Gwen Esther Kim here. Today I want to introduce you to my apartment. So I live in an 18-floor apartment. And it's supposed to be like a luxury apartment, but it's around 10 years old now. Alright, this is my door. Okay, let me go in. And this is my little foyer. Or foyer. Open this door, you see all my shoes that I have pretty much bought in Korea, most of them actually. Okay, so I got my boots here, down here, of all different colors. Then I got my shoes and heels. Then I got some sandals. Now if I open the door here, I got some of my sneakers and long boots. Okay, so I live in a 4-bedroom apartment, which is very big for one person, and I do not use all the rooms. Actually, I only use my bedroom. And so I'm just gonna show you my first bathroom because I have 2.5 bathrooms here. So this is my first bathroom. Okay, pretty good size. Very clean, and you have your shower head, very clean. I don't use this, nobody ever uses this, but it's very nice. Okay. Then this is my first bedroom, which nobody uses. Furnitures here don't belong to me, and I'll explain my situation. Alright, this is my first Christmas tree in Korea. Aren't these little gnomes so cute? Okay, let me show you the living room. It's very big. This is too big actually for one person. Alright, so this place actually doesn't belong to me. I am borrowing it, so the owner doesn't live here right now. All of these furnitures, they're not mine. So they're really not my style. This is more like a traditional Korean style furnitures. And I have a TV which doesn't belong to me, but I don't really watch TV. This is just my storage room. I mean, it's a bedroom, but using it as a storage room, which is kind of messy. So I'm just gonna close that door. Let me show you the third bedroom and half a bathroom. It's a tiny one, but a good size. There's no shower head in this one. And this is the room with the mattress that nobody really uses. Actually, this is the room that my mom used when she was living with me for 6 months. Let me show you my big kitchen. Okay. So this apartment has really a lot of storage. A lot of cupboards. So if I open all of this, I mean, I have my all my goods here. Okay, my baking products. I was eating a lot of healthy food last year, and so just bought a lot of stuff on Amazon. Then I got my Powerade for working out. And then if I close this, you have more stuff here as well. Just a lot of storage, which is nice to have. Just recently got this wine from a friend yesterday. Haven't tried it. I don't really drink, but I want to taste it. So there's 2 refrigerators. Okay, one is the traditional refrigerator where I don't know if I want to show you what I have, but I don't really have much. I mean, it seems like a lot. These were stuff that I bought last year to bake stuff, like healthy cookies and healthy stuff, but I don't really do much cooking anymore, so got my freezer. Okay, I have my garbage here right now, my food garbage. And this is another refrigerator that is built in to this place. So if I open this, and the freezer is down below where it's full of food. Yeah. So I have another storage room here, right next to where the refrigerators are. And a lot of these stuff are not mine. But it's another room where you can go in and just store a lot of stuff, which is really nice to have. Okay, so I have a little island, which is nice to have. I have my Brita, my pot. I have my express food machine that I bought last year when I moved into this apartment. I got my coffee capsules and some more utensils. I have a dishwasher, but I don't use them. Then to my right, it's where the washer is and some other stuff. Okay, lots of storage once again. You could actually hang your clothes. Alright, let me show you my bedroom. This is the place where I work and sleep and do all my business. This is where I spend most of my days when I'm at home. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So the first thing that you see is my drawer. And I just recently bought this vase and all these artificial flowers, and I decorated myself. And don't they look nice? And I just recently bought this from IKEA, and I got my candles. Alright, my vanity, which I want to get rid of and buy a new one, because this one's the one that I bought when I first came to Korea, and I've had this for 5 years, but since I moved into this new apartment, I do want to buy a new vanity. So this is the view that I get to enjoy every single day when I first wake up, when I open my curtains. This is what I see every day. I mean, it's better than seeing rows of apartments, right? And there's a little playground. What a nice view. And I bought this little sofa or chair. This is one thing I really don't like. There's a hole in the wall, and I'm not sure what to do about it. But this is the air conditioner that Korea uses. Alright, and this is my workstation. Okay. So I recently bought this desktop, which cost me the most. I guess this is the most expensive thing that I bought in Korea, but it's a custom designed desktop. And if I open this up, you could open it and the color changes. Pretty neat, I guess. It's my first custom designed desktop. mirror. So let me take you to my closet, which is a walk-in closet. Ta-da! This is my walk-in closet. So I got my gym wear and some hats and caps. Then I got some leggings and pants at the bottom. Then I have my blouses and skirts and all my coats. Built-in drawer, which is nice. My socks. And this is to hang my stockings. Alright. Then I got a little niche here. This is supposed to be like a vanity also, but I don't really use it as a vanity. I just use it to store my stuff. Well, this is where I put my jewelry. So my friend got me this when I was in California. And I got my necklace in here. Over here as well. And if I were to take this off, I got my rings here, which I don't really wear too much. Then I bought this in Korea. I like this jewelry box, and you know, I just keep my necklaces and earrings in here. But I love the color of this gold, and that you could see through the clear glass. And this my parents got me when they went to Korea a while back, and this is the souvenir that they brought me in. If I were to open this, it's a little Korean jewelry box where I keep some of my other jewelry. I thought it was cute. I kept it all these years. Very traditional Korean jewelry box. Then all of this I bought in Korea. I actually just bought this little thing at Daiso today, but I think it's a nice touch. Okay, so welcome to my bathroom. It's not the cleanest, but it is very big, very nice. This is where the big mirror is, and the sink, and storage. I should have lit the candle, but I forgot. Then I got all my skincare. I got my own bathtub, which I've never used before. I don't really take a shower here. I usually take a shower here. And I go in there barefoot. Then I got my bidet. I love my bidets. Love it, love it. If you haven't tried a bidet before, definitely nice to have one. I love it. So to explain my living situation, I did live in a studio for about 3 years and 9 months, and I asked my employer if they could provide me a bigger place to stay, because I was hoping that I would have a bigger place and another room for my parents to stay if they were ever to come visit me from California, because they were living in California at that time, and I just wanted a bigger place. And I wanted to extend my contract because they wanted me to stay at their school, and because of the grace of God, they were able to provide me this place, which is owned by them. And I do love living here in this 4-bedroom apartment, even though it is very big for me, big for one person to live in. But I definitely would choose this big place than a small 1-bedroom, a studio, office that I did live beforehand. And so I don't pay any rent for this place. All I pay is a maintenance fee, which provides the electricity and maintenance. I usually pay around $200 in maintenance fee. And then I also pay for my Wi-Fi and gas. But gas has always been really low. And right now I'm paying 25,000 won for Wi-Fi, which is not bad. I'm so blessed to live in this place rent-free. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!